Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, I will put the limit gone here. So we need to focus about this one. Now we have the second formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So this is about capital 8. This one that is about capital B. So we can put like this. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So that is about positive infinity over positive infinity. So we can use L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one we have like this. So s will go to numerator, so that should be like this. And now that is about s2 to the power of 3. Next, we divide by s to the power of 3 on numerator and denominator. So this one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. When s approaches to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. And now we have like this. And that is about number 3. Now we need to go back in here. The value of this limit, that is about number 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.